When you enroll in the course How to Be a Fashion Designer, I recommend investing in the textbook and workbook as a companion to the course. Available in both print and ebook formats, these resources are designed to empower and guide you every step of the way on your journey to becoming a successful designer. All the supplies that I use in my classes are available on my Amazon store. Simply click the link to access everything you need, along with additional materials that will support you in creating a healthy and empowering learning process. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? I share weekly content to inspire and enhance your skills and techniques. Whether you're elevating your craft or exploring new aspects of design, these videos are here to support your growth as a fashion designer. And finally, if you need that extra one-on-one support, I have a one-on-one Zoom service available. Whether you need feedback on your homework, or reviewing your portfolio, or if you have questions about starting your own brand, these sessions are tailored to provide the support you need to thrive in your fashion journey. All right, so I'll see you in class.